Still the story of my brother ambaye ni Ojwang. Albert Ojwang is still trending at #1 all over the country, everywhere. It is the biggest story trending right now. And so far updates ambazo nimeona ni kwamba wale maafisa wanaoongoza pale Central Police wote wameachishwa kazi kwa muda ili uchunguzi ufanyike pale, lakini yule ambaye ali raise complaint bado yupo kazini. Yeye ni DIG, bado yeye yuko jobu. Mheshimiwa Langat bado anapiga kazi. But one thing that stood out for me very personally, by the way, ni matamshi yake Karen Nyamu, nominated senator Karen Nyamu, matamshi yake pale ambayo I want to quote Karen Nyamu right now. Anasema, it is this police that could be working with opposition. Kama police hadi wanaimba one time kwa Mugithi, what stops such policemen from working with opposition to make government look like killers? Taka tu niambie Karen Nyamu jamani, sio kila kitu unaingiza siasa. Sio kila kitu unaingiza siasa.
Don't be petty, mheshimiwa.
Sio kila kitu unaingiza siasa. Kuna mtoto wa mtu ambaye sasa hivi amelala.
Ndio.
Mochari, city mochari.
Wa kipekee.
Please, please.
Yes.
You have to grow up.
Don't be petty. You are petty. That's not pettiness.
No, you have to grow up.
Grow up, mheshimiwa. That is pettiness.
Hapana.
Hiyo ni tautology. To expect maneno kama ya kutoka kwa kiongozi kama wewe, mheshimiwa Karen Nyamu. That is pettiness, by the way.
Watu wanaomboleza bado.
Yes.
Bado ni siku mbili tu. Siku hata sijatembea. Watu bado wanaomboleza. Relax. If you have nothing to say, relax. Tulia.
Sio lazima ufungue kinywa chako.
Na unajua nakwambia hivi madake nakupenda. Tulia. And that's what's trending this morning.
Pompigo tena zaidi.
Let me explain to Karen Nyamu in a way that she can understand. I'll try to go slow so that this time round she can understand what's really going on. Of course, I've seen Karen Nyamu is trying to create a nexus between, a connection between the death of Ojwang and self-abduction. I don't know whether Karen Nyamu is insinuating that this is a fake death or I just don't know. But for her, it seems like this is another case of self-abduction, or maybe it went wrong or something of the sort. Now, Karen Nyamu, if this boy Ojwang did a self-abduction and was found later maybe alive, us ourselves, we will be with you in saying that this boy should be arrested for self-abduction. So no problem with that. That one we are with you. But now this boy is dead in a police custody. So Karen Nyamu, I just want to explain to you slowly so that you understand. In a police custody, even if you have self-abducted yourself and colluded with police officers so that you can go into a cell, and then later you are being found that you are dead in a police cell, Karen Nyamu, who does the buck stop with there? Let's say Ojwang had self-abducted himself and took himself in a police cell where he was kept alone, and then later on he's found dead. Whose responsibility is it? Who is accountable for that type of an occurrence? You know. I think that one you know. Karen Nyamu, if that one you don't know, then I just don't know how we can salvage you from this delusional type of remarks. We are still mourning the death of one of us. If you feel like this person is not one of the people you lead, no problem. You have your day today. We'll have our day. No problem with that. Let's go to another thing, because I want to make Karen Nyamu understand the things that are happening. This boy is the only child in their home. The pain of the father killing him. The pain of the father is disorienting him. Then you come forward and you speak about self-abductions with no remorse. With no remorse. No problem. You have your day today. Us will have our day another day. We will have our say. Today seems like we are not saying anything. No problem. Number 3, Karen Nyamu. You are privileged to be a leader in this wonderful nation that we have. You are privileged. This is like your son. This kid is like your son. Aren't you concerned about the trend that we are starting to see? If the DPP himself said that the friend who Ojwang was arrested with, not with, but different locations, but they were arrested the same day. The friend has no case to answer. The DPP has refused to charge that boy, that other boy, who was arrested on the same claims of false publications. That boy has got no case to answer to the DPP. So it means that Ojwang died an innocent death. Then you come and try to create a nexus between self-abduction and the death of Ojwang. Karen Nyamu, today you have your day. You have your say. Tomorrow, it is us who will have our say. And we will not have our say with revenge. We will have our say with the rule of